Previously on Ride On.
Did not want to shift. What's up, baby? You're being a little cranky.
Oh, what a day. I have been waiting for this. Today we're riding the Black Hills and all its goodness. I'm doing this. I mean, I'm not riding every road, but I am definitely riding a lot of them today. Should be really nice. This being day 8 out of 16 of the Run for the Hills ride, a 4,200 mile epic journey. And today, on day 8 of the Run for the Hills ride, we're doing the Black Hills. And I'm gonna wind through, making an S-like shape, trying to ride as much of the twisty goodness as I can. I cruise by Mount Rushmore, do Needles Highway, ride a bunch of other good roads. I probably could have planned a longer day, but this gives me plenty of time to stop and enjoy the wonderful Black Hills. So hop on, throw a leg over, let's ride up to the stoplight. Clutch is getting real fussy on this. I think it needs a bleed. And I don't have anything to do that. It's been fussy the whole ride. It seems to be getting worse. I couldn't actually get it out of gear when I was starting up just now. It doesn't want to shift. I can't get it out of second. Ah, there we go. Yeah, this is terrible. This is going to be a problem. There's some tight ones too. Yeah, I can't downshift. It won't let me. I'm going to pull over to this parking lot here. Tomorrow is not really a difficult ride. Today there might be some tight stuff that'll be tricky. I've had to deal with this bike before. The clutch slave died on me. But yeah, it happened on a 3-day ride. Let's see, is this adjustable? Yeah, it is. Pull away was smooth. I think that slight adjustment helped. It is all the way out though. We definitely have a problem. I'm gonna have to adapt. Refine the friction zone. Okay, downshifting is fine. I got into neutral. No problem. Okay, this is good. This will work. At least for general riding. Technical stuff might be a little tricky. So that's added an extra layer of complexity to today's ride. Perhaps the rest of the trip. I may find out today how well this is going to work for me, because in 2 days I'll be working hard up Mount Evans, and the next day Pikes Peak. It's always something happens on these trips. That's why they're adventures. Enjoying a nice casual ride here on Highway 44. Lots of pretty trees. Those rolls of hay look like giant burritos. They're pushed right next to each other, so it look like one big long food log. Hey, it is a food log for like horses and stuff. Passing a nice little lake here on US 385. I love how this road just kind of snakes around it. Usually, you know, you're going over a dam or something, right? It's straight. This one kind of winds around. The Pacatola Reservoir, according to the sign there. So remember to pack your tola if you're going there. I'm not sure what a tola is, but apparently it's important. Sharp curves ahead. Motorcycles use extreme caution. Sounds like my kind of road. I hooked it with the 360 mount. Yeah, it's acting a little weird. So up here, you have the clutch lever, which has tons of play. And then here you have the master cylinder for it. And it pushes in on a piston. It goes down the line, comes out down to this thing right here. Silver circular thing with the black star thingy. And you can see the bleeder valve right here on the top. Oh, it's real easy to get in neutral. I was able to pull away pretty smoothly. I've been having problems with that, so I'll take that as a positive sign. So this is US Highway 16. This gal's riding on the back of the bike with no helmet and not even so much as a do-rag. You're gonna ride like that, what you need is a buzz cut. Then you're getting sunburn on your head. Shifting for this was smooth and effortless. I know you're trying your best, baby, and I appreciate it. Helicopters are winding up for the tours. It is a Saturday here in the Black Hills, Labor Day weekend. Keystone. We're definitely getting into Rushmore country. I don't know if I'd call it, they call it a tunnel, even though it's like 50 feet long. Kind of cool looking though, with the little rock accent lighting. Wow, wouldn't have expected a view like this today. A little bit wider valley, some longer straights and stuff. Nice casual sweeper here. Now that pull-away was really good. Transition to second was a little bit jerky, and I've noticed most of the transition, right, as you shift and let the clutch out, has been jerky. Getting off this road already. Going back along the other side of the ridge we just rode along. Oh, cool, yeah, we're going into Custer State Park here. Geez, it's only 26 miles to Custer. That's where I'm staying tonight. Garmina, how come you say it's 66 miles to where I'm staying tonight? That's because I am not taking the direct route. I am being adventurous. Tunnel clearances ahead. US Highway 16A. Hello. Bighorn sheep, I believe. The first sighting for me ever. Enjoying the ride, man. It's a great day. Just go fast enough to get a little breeze, stay cool. There you go. There's a classic. Nice. Ooh, sweet. Yeah. Yeah. Definitely twistier than that other road. I like mixing it up. I think this is also known as Iron Mountain Road. Welcome, bikers. $3 beer. Coors Light.
You call that beer?
Probably pissed off somebody who likes Coors Light. I'm sorry. Hey, at least it's not an IPA. IPA, I prefer anything else.
Right on. She rides her own bike. Always happy to see that.
Right. Sweet. Elevational S-turns. Oh. That's what I'm talking about. What have we here in front of us? A little roadster of some kind. Very interesting plate.
It says HST on the left there and vertical. I'm assuming that means historical, like classic. I don't see a brand marking. Might be an MG. It looks like the brand marker's hidden underneath the tail rack. MGB on the graphics on the side. Geez, a lot of bikes out on Labor Day weekend here in the Black Hills. Hey, George, Teddy, Abe, and Thomas, I think. Definitely awkward clutching there, but I got her done. This one's definitely uphill. Oh, very tight, but I was in first.
They split the lanes. Yeah. We ride goat trails. Oh, sweet. I could tell what's coming up from what I just saw on the display. You'll see it in a minute. It's gonna rock.
That's a good revert. Not bad for a small tunnel. And then right after the tunnel, we got this little joy here. We're literally going underneath the road we just were on seconds ago. 270 degrees, roughly. Nifty. Oh, there's another one. I see it coming up ahead. Cute. tunnel here. Oh, right towards the presidents. Oh my God. Yeah. What a framing. That's awesome. How's it going, guys? You enjoying watching all the people? You know, people may wonder, you know, George Washington, Abe Lincoln, they'll question why they are up there. But why Teddy Roosevelt? Teddy Roosevelt was kind of a crazy guy. Great story. I mean, more than just the Rough Riders. He was very instrumental in the foundation of the national park system. So all these wonderful national parks, of which I am not in one at the moment, I don't think. There we go, another 270. Whee! Sometimes I feel like a little kid, just having a ball. Love this stuff. Hope you're enjoying the ride too. And if you haven't, consider subscribing to the channel so you can stay up to date on our latest videos. If you're a fan of motorcycle touring, you're in the right place. Oh, more crazy turns. Oh, we got another one, the third one. Sweet. No tunnel before this one. Outside, inside, outside. Missed the downshift somehow. Back on the Norbeck Byway, which is also the Goodson-Borglum Memorial Highway. That's the guy responsible for getting Mount Rushmore built. That rock is really shiny. Looks like there's a lot of quartz on it or something. And there we are, side view of Rushmore there. 3/4 view. Trees are mostly cut down or haven't grown.
The Mount Rushmore Memorial is not a large park, but you do get a good view.
Another great view here. And of course, the 360 has stopped recording. Oh, well, they aren't kidding when they say profile. Oh, look at the horses. You can do a little trail ride. Cute. Quite a few horses. This looks like it was made for my bike. Sorry, baby. I asked if you could come inside, but they said that was not appropriate. Eagles Highway. That's where we're going. second gear. Thought that one looked loose enough to handle in second. I could chance it on this one. No, it's second gear. Yeah, this one is very steep uphill. Totally easy in second. Oh, nice. Lots of switchbacks here. This one's a little tough. I can't really slip the clutch. Oh, this may be a problem. Okay, it is a problem. Maybe more of a problem than I was hoping. I was able to power burst my way through the turn where you kind of go, And check this one out. Howdy.
Today?
Yeah, I'm doing good. Just riding through on my way to Custer.
Have a good day, sir.
Thank you, you too. I checked it as I pulled away, and now it stopped again. It's the 360 quality. Every single one I've had out of 3 has had this problem. I'm aiming it specifically so I can see the red light, which is no longer flashing. Okay, got a tunnel here. Just back out in the traffic, dude. You probably can't see it. Sucky angle. Cool. Oh, this is cool. Needles. Nifty stuff. Very narrow road. Most people too wide for this, really. Not me. $5-mile-an-hour hairpin, at least it's downhill. Piece of cake. He's got his dirt bike. Yamaha. This is why the speed limit's 25. Most vehicles are really too big for this road. He's going off the road there. Yes, he's in a big truck. But yeah, his tire's going, and the lip is not, you can see it's kind of a big lip. Now, it's an edge trap on his tires. But now I'm free! Yes, free! At least for a little while. I'm sure I'll run into a car. Well, not literally, I hope. I'm literally coasting with the clutch in. Just modulating my speed with the brake. Coming up on a tunnel. And of course, it's 360 has stopped recording. Actually have a divider line now. We're still going just as slow. Why'd you pick Labor Day weekend, Kurt? I'm going so slow I'm gonna tip over. My God, second gear. I'm gonna try not to get too excited about that, because I know it's not gonna last. Sharp turns ahead. Okay, this was a second gear turn. Nice little lake there.
Dave's Rock Shop. Rock Shop Fossils.
There's so much rock in this place, I haven't seen one single music store. Fluffy Cow Outlet. I see the sign. They're all parked sideways too.
In episode 9 of the Run for the Hills motorcycle adventure, we encounter complications as we ride south from Custer into Wyoming to Fort Collins, Colorado. Next time on Ride On.